So hello everyone. In this lecture I will talk about the if, elif, else statements in Python. So the if, elif, else structure is a common way to control the flow of a program, allowing it to execute a specific block of code depending on the value of the some data. So first, if statement. If the condition following the keyword if evaluates as true, then the block of the code will execute. Note that parentheses are not used before and after the condition, therefore, as in other languages. So let me try out the if statement. So if true, then print if block will execute. So if you run this, so as you can see, if block will execute. And another example is if I use x and is 5, then if x greater than 4, then print the condition was true. So if we run this, as you can see, this statement executes. So the if statement works like this. So it's a very simple way to test. So you can optionally add an else responses that will execute if the responses is false, like if not true, print if statement will execute or else statement will execute. Okay, if statement execute if not true, okay, where is the problem? Okay, let me check. Print if statement will okay, let me try another one. Y is equal to 3 if y greater than 4, then print I want print or else the condition wasn't true, okay, I got the error, so this will be like this. Okay, so as you can see, the else statement will execute, so the if statement got ignored and else statement executed, so there is no condition following the else keyword, so it caches all the situation where the condition was false. So elif statement, multiple conditions can be checked by including one or more elif checks after your initial if statement. So just keep in mind that only one condition will execute at the end. So let me give you an example. If z greater than 8, then print I won't print like a random comment. Elif z greater than 5, then print I will elif z greater than 6, then print I also won't print else print I will, neither I will I print. Okay, as you can see, the first condition that evaluates as true will execute even though the z greater than 6 is true. The if else or elif blocks terminate after the first true condition. That means that an else will only execute if none of the condition are true. So we can also use if else statement on inline Python functions. So this following example should check if the number is greater or equal than 50. So if it is greater than 50, then it will return true. So let me write down the code. Python x is equal to 89 is greater true if greater than equal 50, else false. Print okay, there is some error in this, I think, in the code. Okay, let me try another one. So if we try the nested if statement, so we can also create the nested ifs if for decision making. So this is all about the if, elif and else statement.